what? Are you going to laser tag on Saturday? I'm not going. I'm just gonna get like completely trashed.
You can insult sergeants.
Huh?
That's why I go out. If I go out sergeants, that's why I go. I get hammered and make fun of them.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to get hammered before I go.
Or just get drunk with them.
Well, not at the bar, you know.
Huh?
I'm not gonna be able to get into the bar. There's probably a bar there.
That is not cool. You what? You think so?
A lot of gay sex has been used. I know it's gross, but we've never.
Alright, just keep going. Just go. Alright, but
Don't fuck it up.
hey.
Your girlfriend's gonna get this. Don't fuck it up.
Hey, Colin.
Yes.
You think you could take me to the shop bed today?
No. Hell no. You cannot be trusted. You're not getting shit during the week.
I'm just saying like a 12 pack. Just a 12 pack.
I already told Stoll.
What's a 12 pack gonna do?
Get you fucked up.
A little bit.
A little bit. Fuck you. Sorry, baby.
Ah, shut up.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll fucking never talk to you again.
Shut the fuck up with your question.
Don't ask anything about me. Don't reference me.
Alright.
What are you gonna ask?
Kyle, if you were to drink 12 beers, how drunk would you get? In about like 3 hours. You'd be pretty drunk, right? What'd you say, Colin? Well, what if you were, let's say, less experienced in drinking? What are you doing?
You have to drag this.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Hold on, let's go.
It's a 12 pack. These guys are fucking assholes. You're not getting shit during the week. That's how I got you drinks during the week. You were in my room like an idiot. Pissing on yourself and then being trying to talk before.